Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club. In this video, my weekly Forex analysis and forecast for the week of 19 to 24 December 2021. This is the last official full trading week of December, and not just December of 2021. So I would like to take this opportunity and wish you and yours a very safe holiday season and a very blessed and wonderful 2022. I hope this year would be much greater than 2021 without all the challenges that we faced around the world. Before we go to the charts, I would like to take this opportunity and if you are new to our channel, welcome to our amazing community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Please follow the subscribe button below the video. Just remember to enable the notification ring button. And also I invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you can get all our trading ideas in real time, including our real-time trading education. Each trading opportunity arrives in a detailed educational video and track recorded in our trading journal. So I welcome you to our trading family, and the links could be found below this video in the description or in the pinned comment. So there are some opportunities I would like to share with you this week, and I hope you enjoyed the previous week video. If you missed it, now on the right top corner of this video, you can find the direct link to watch the previous week forecast. We got the Euro Kiwi and the Aussie franc, both worked out amazingly. During the week, I shared with you also some trading ideas. So make sure you follow our work in this channel during the week. Okay. If you missed these videos, you can just find it in my channel. I shared the Bitcoin video, I shared the S&P, and I shared the Euro CAD. You can watch them in the channel as well, of course. So what are the opportunities for this week? One of them is the Swiss yen, which personally I traded it on the last couple of weeks, but this week I got kicked out with a loss, but I still find it a very good opportunity. And here is why. The weekly chart is at the end of a clear trending structure with a massive bearish divergence we have here on the moving average of the MACD as well as on the RSI. All that happens from the round number 125. After that, we got 3 lower highs, lower lows on the weekly time frame. Since then, we are moving inside a range. And this is exactly where I find this interesting opportunity. Right now, what happens is we are in a sort of a consolidation, building up a lot of volume. So if we manage to break below this range and pull back, I do believe it opens up the doors for the next serious movement towards the next important volume zone around the 120. This is also a great risk reward opportunity. On the 4-hour chart, that's where we can find this a bit clearer. So this is the current consolidation we are facing, and a lot of volume is building up here. We are building here already 2 lower highs, lower lows. So 1 more lower highs, lower lows to start creating lower lows on the chart as well is a great opportunity to look to sell the rallies afterwards. So we have a classical multi-time frame analysis here. Starting from the divergence, we need the price action to fit in by validating the lower lows and the structure of lower highs, lower lows to validate a bearish control. If that really builds up on this pair, I believe this one could open up an amazing opportunity and deliver. I'm not quite sure it will be happening very, very, very fast. I wish it will. It could take some time, but in terms of the risk reward and the opportunity, if this one really happens to move the way I see that, it could become a great risk reward opportunity. Now, I would really like to ask your help and your support. 15 seconds of your time. If you find this video helpful and my work in this channel useful for you, first of all, feel free to share it with anyone you would like, and any traders who you believe can have a benefit by watching this video. Also, please hit this like button, drop some feedback in the comment section. 15 seconds of your time. It's a huge help for this channel, and for me personally, it means a lot. So thank you very much in advance. The second opportunity would also be from the yen pairs, and this is the CAD yen. which I find interesting, was pretty much the same analysis. We got here 3 higher highs, higher lows, classical for me cycle that comes to the end. All that happens right from the monthly volume area, and after cleaning this top, right, it turned to be fake high. Since then, we are in a bearish momentum. The bearish divergence we have here on the MACD moving average and the RSI, hence that the bears are likely to be in control. Watching on a daily chart, we did gain a massive momentum here by making the lower highs, lower lows, and so far we don't have signs it's over. So the way I see that, the bearish momentum is still on, and on the 4-hour chart, we can clearly see that we are regaining here some momentum with a pullback and now a likely continuation. So from my point of view, every pullback here should be an opportunity to continue with its current ride. What I would be paying attention to on the short-term view is this massive low we have here and one low here of this flip. So we had higher highs, so high, low, high, new low. This is a good zone for a retest, and a lot of volume is building up around this area. So any pullback there is a great opportunity to start moving towards this zone. And if it breaks through, then of course our weekly massive area, which is here, could become the final target for this longer term run. So let me know, what do you think about these opportunities? And also, if you want to enjoy all the rest of our trading ideas and to enjoy from all our real-time trading education coming with the ideas, with a very easy to follow trading journal and our trading watch list, which you can find also here, I invite you once again to join our Trading Family Traders Academy Club. And the link to that could be found below this video in the description or in the pinned comment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for your time. Stay safe, be well. I wish you a fantastic trading week ahead. And thanks for your time watching this video. Bye for now, and I see you soon.